In this video, we will learn about grease and role of thread seal on board ship. Let us look live where grease is kept on board ship and how to put a thread seal on a bolt. Let's start with thread seal tape. Thread seal tape is a polytetrafluoroethylene film tape commonly used in plumbing for sealing pipe threads, also known as Teflon, PTFE or a plumber's tape. Its functions are: it is required for sealing pipe threads in plumbing. It is used for allowing the nut and bolt to be screwed deep together. How to use? Typically the tape is wrapped around a thread 3 times before it is screwed or bolted. Temperature range can go from minus 268 degrees Celsius to plus 268 degrees Celsius. Decomposition will occur on contact with open flames. Its limitations: overuse can prevent mating threads from fully engaging. Let us get a live demo.
थ्रेड सील गाइस, इसका एक अपना अलग इंपॉर्टेंस है. दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ टेफ्लॉन, वेरी थिन. सी द थिकनेस ओवर हियर, थिननेस ओवर हियर, वेरी थिन. डिड यू सी दिस? नाउ गाइस, दिस थ्रेड सील, it is tasteless, odorless, and it is basically required to seal a joint, to seal a connection. Now say, when I am putting this nut on the bolt, there is some clearance that I can make out. देखो थोड़ा सा free है ये. Pop it, and when I am putting, there are chances that little bit leakage can be from here or here because it is not sealing properly. So what I do is, I put a thread seal over here. Now guys, when I am putting a thread seal, this is something very important. I learned this after I became a 4th engineer. How to put a thread seal. Now, उसके लिए सबसे पहले important direction to know. And for knowing the direction, you need to know कि whether it's a left hand or a right hand thread. Right hand thread is nominal thread. Nominal मतलब कि when you put like this and when you are moving it in the right hand direction, that is clockwise, it is tightening. You see? It is tightening. It is going inside. And when you move it anti-clockwise like this, see, I am moving it anti-clockwise, then it is loosening. So these are called right hand threads. So when I have to put thread seal, now guys, this is very important. See, when I have to put thread seal on right hand thread, I take it like this, and I take this thread seal and I put it like this, and always remember that when you put thread seal, it should always be when the right hand nut is looking at you, it should be in clockwise direction. See guys, when I am looking at you, it should be in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. And you seal it अच्छे से. Clockwise, guys, this is very important. This is a particular way to put. You see? And now you remove this. So now, and you put it like this, and then you put this. Now when you tighten, now see, it is sealing. Now see, it is not going easily. It is sealing properly. Sealing. See, it has taken the shape of the threads over here. It is sealed. Now the little bit clearance that was there, it has been taken with the thread seal over here, and now there will be no leakage over here. Copy it, guys? So thread seal is an important part, but you need to know how to put it. Always remember, right hand thread like this, and it should go clockwise. And there is a very big reason for that. Reason is, when you have put the right hand thread over here, you should know the why also. The why is, now suppose if I put it clockwise, what will happen? Just have a look. It goes and when I am going to end it, it is going to end in the direction of the nut over here. You see? the nut and they are rotating in the same direction. So what happens is, when the nut is tightening, it is overlapping this part. You see, if I put it like this, now the opening is like this over here. You see, like this. It is seating like this, and my nut is also coming like this only. So what happens is, sealing becomes proper.
Grease. What is grease? Grease is a semi-solid lubricant. They generally consist of soap emulsified with mineral or vegetable oil. The characteristic feature of grease is that it possesses a high initial viscosity. They are applied to mechanisms that cannot be lubricated frequently and where a lubricating oil would not stay in position. Let us get a live demo.
The thing that is remaining is grease. You must have seen this grease so many places, everywhere. Basically, it's a lubricant, acts for anti-seizing, right? And avoids corrosion. But there are many kinds of grease actually, guys. So first what we'll do is, we'll talk about those different kinds of grease. I'm not going to get to the theory part, but I'll make it practical experience कि हम ship को उसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Come guys, come. Okay guys, see, I've got a few types of greases written over here. One is multi-purpose grease. This is used for all kinds of for lubrication and protection. Like अगर मुझे that nut and bolt is over there and I have to grease that nut and bolt, I can use this multi-purpose grease over there. But suppose if I have to use that a big nut and bolt for a high pressure per area, then I am not going to use this multi-purpose grease. Then I am going to use this extreme pressure grease, which has got extreme pressure additives added. A special grease, costly grease. It is lithium based because lithium has, like molybdenum, lithium has also got the property to bear that higher load. Corrosion preventer. What is corrosion? Again, rust acting over there, causing seizing to take place. Lubricants are required over there, guys. So there, that extreme pressure grease is required. Then this gear case grease. Now guys, extreme pressure grease can be required where? Like in an auxiliary engine cylinder connecting rod bolts, we are tightening at a very high torque. Over there we use a special kind of a grease called Protec grease given by the makers. Copy it? So that is extreme pressure grease being used over there. You do not have a grease maker, so then we use Molycot over there, right? For high pressures. Gear grease. Now guys, I am talking about open gears over here. So open gear में क्या होगा? High viscosity. Why do you need high viscosity? Because it sticks to the surface. Like come on, I'll show you open grease where we can put this open grease. Guys, can you see this? Engine room rail. These are the open gears. So guys, see that open gear was overhead. So if I put grease over there, it should not fall down. Otherwise grease will not stay. So there it should stick to the surface. That's why high viscous. This low temperature grease is basically, whenever we talk about low temperature, understand engine room temperature rarely goes below 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees. This low temperature grease is required for machinery on the deck where the temperatures can go very low, and anti-freeze additives are added in that so that this grease does not freeze, and it is suitable for roller and ball bearings. What is this bearing grease? Now guys, these bearing greases, this grease which is used in engine room on various pumps and everywhere, smooth grease hoti hai, high oil content. Why? So that it does not let moisture to come in engine room. Sometimes water can spray on your machinery or something happen. It does not let water to get into the bearing side. The grease is so much covered that it says ki water, I will not let you become miscible with me. The water stays separate, and then grease keeps it lubricating properties alive over there. Wire rope grease. Guys, cranes have got wires, big cranes have got wires, and these wires are like these. Small strands joined together like this. Okay, so this wire rope grease is again, it should penetrate inside. That means viscosity should be low so that it goes inside the strands over here and lubricates them, and it should be anti-corrosive, right? Now guys, this is all a theory, and I know it is important, but what is important is the practical experience that you need. So on board my ship, I have got this Gulf Oil Marine Machinery Lubrication Recommendation chart over here. So what I do is, say I have to put a wire rope grease, and I check this chart, and grease deck machinery, okay, accommodation ladder, wire rope. So what it says is, guys, it says is accommodation ladder. If it is wire rope, then grease should be Gulf C Hyperbar Super CS. So they have not told us, okay, it is a lithium grease, it should be anti-corrosive. They have made our work very easy. They are telling us, by put this grease. Yes. So guys, this lubrication chart is present on board every ship. Now mine is Gulf Marine type. You can have some other Shell or other type of lubricants on board your ship. But this chart is very important, very important for you guys. Always remember that, because this chart is going to tell you which grease to be used where. Copy it, guys? Now let me take you to the grease section and show you some greases over there. Now guys, this is the section where all the grease is kept over here. See, Gulf Oil Marine Gulf C Hyperbar CS2, Gulf C Hyperbar Super CS. All these types of different greases are kept over here. So if deck people require wire rope grease, they come over here and tell us, because we keep a count of how much grease is there, how much grease is required on monthly basis, and we prepare the requisition. Copy it, guys? So this is all from my side. Jai Mata.